Hello superstars, once again you're welcome to La Prinzo World Academy. In this short video, I'm going to teach you how to draw support and resistance correctly. Alright. Now if you learn how to draw support and resistance correctly, it means that you have passed 50% of your journey in trading, because no matter what instrument you're trading, no matter what you're doing, support and resistance are very, very important. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to look at, when you're drawing, let's say you are trading, you're a scalper, all right, and you look at time frame like 15 minutes or 1 hour to see the overall direction of the market. You want to draw your support and resistance with 4 hours time frame. If you're a day trader, you want to draw your support and resistance using daily time frame to draw. All right. So in this example, let's say we are day traders. All right. So I'm going to be using daily time frame to draw my key level, this support and resistance level. All right. And first of all, what is support and resistance? Support and resistance are areas where price has touched and bounced back repeatedly. All right. Support and resistance are areas where price has touched and bounced back repeatedly. So for you to trade it, you need to understand the places to draw your support and resistance. So let me use my cursor here. I'm going to this horizontal line. I'll put it here. This place, for instance, is called resistance. All right. It means that price touched this place and price rejected. So that place is called resistance. All right. So let me draw also support. Support also is here. This area is called support. Why do I say it's called support? Because price has been coming here. You see, there was a time, this was the main since 2026, price got here, a bounce back. Another one again, this was also December 2025, price got here and it bounced back to the upside. So here again, price got here, it was a fake breakout, but price returned from this place. So it means that now that you have discovered this place as the key support and resistance level, so what are you going to be doing? You are going to be only taking trade decision when price get to these levels. All right. When price gets to the level is when you don't buy or sell anything on these levels, because why? You have seen the price respecting this support and resistance area. So if you are going to be selling, it means that you're going to expect the price to come down here. All right. I'm going to give you another video. I'm going to teach you another video on how to actually sell. Not that price gets there, you just press button sell. No, because sometimes you may also have a fake breaker, meaning price will just give you a fake breaker then before coming to the downside. So another video is going to come in on how to actually trade support and resistance. So now we have identified levels. These are areas that you want to trade, you want to consider buying or selling. This is where you consider buying, this is where you consider selling. So let me go to another 4 hours time frame right now to identify key levels. Those are support and resistance areas. So again, here is also a resistance area. So what it means is that price touched that place. You can see how many times price touched there. Price touched this place and it kept returning. It gave us a double top and it came back again before it broke out. Now support and resistance can be broken. Now when if its resistance is broken, it can become support. So here resistance, this market broke out of this support, this resistance level. So here is now a support. So resistance is now turning to support. So it means that when price gets to this level, all right, because of what we have seen, that this place is a resistance. So when price gets to this level, that's when we look for buy opportunity. All right, that's when we look for buy opportunities. I'm going to be teaching you videos. I'm going to come with videos that will actually teach you what candlestick to see. Those are different videos. I don't want to complicate this video with I don't want this video to be too long, but what you're seeing is a resistance being broken. Now price is coming back to this place that was once a resistance. Are you getting it? That place was once a resistance. Look at here. Here it was support here. It was support here. Right, it broke out and came back to test here. It was support here. Now Yeah, it was support here. So you are expecting the price to react here because what? Price is coming back to this once a resistance area, but because price has broken out of that resistance area, it will have to come back and turn to support. So this is where you look for trade opportunity, buy opportunity. You don't trade anything in the middle here. You don't trade anything in the middle here. You don't trade anything here. The only time you make trade decisions is when price is on this key support and resistance levels. So guys, I hope you understand this. For the key message you go with now is to don't use because you are trading, even if you're a scalper, don't use 5 minutes time frame to draw your support and resistance. Those doesn't really stand. Use, let's say you're a scalper, you want to trade 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Use maybe 4 hours time frame, or use 1 hour time frame to actually draw your support and resistance. If you're a day trader, you're looking at the market with higher time frame, you have to go to daily time frame. All right, daily time frame will give you a better understanding. Or you're a swing trader, you want to use, if you're a swing trader, you want to use a weekly time frame to draw your support and resistance. But like right now, I'm using daily time frame to draw. So daily time frame has already showed me areas that I am going to be having interest in. So yeah, I have interest there because it's a support area. You have interest that this is a resistance area. So always use higher time frame to draw your support and resistance area, and make sure that you draw it correctly. Now you must add the week. All right, you must not just put it on the candle. You must, this one is the week, this long thing is the week. So when you're drawing, ensure that you also include the week. So, and again, support and resistance is not a straight line, it's a zone. So for it, that means here is also same zone. All right, here is also a zone. So you see that market actually came here to respect this zone here. So here it's another zone here. So you can also draw it this way. Now this is the week, this is the body. So you can even put it on the low of the low of this candlestick here. All right, like this. And then here is the week. So you put it on this candlestick here, the low of this candlestick here, and the week here. So it means that this area is your support and resistance area. So when price comes to this area, that's when you make trading decisions. So you have to be very patient. If you are trading support and resistance, you need to be very patient. You don't do anything, nothing you will do as far as price has not getting to your support and resistance. You do nothing. So right now, price is approaching this key level. So I can now look for trade opportunity. But I'm going to come to another video that will teach you how to actually place a trade when price gets to your support and resistance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have done, created your account with Deriv, create your trading account, use Deriv. I use Deriv to trade. Use the link on the bio to create your Deriv account. Deriv also trade volatility indices and forex and crypto. All right, if you have not joined the La Prince Wealth Academy, I want to encourage you to join, because in the academy we'll give you details so that you don't, even if you don't have time, you can be on the academy and be watching the videos and learn details step by step on how you can become a profitable forex trader. From the beginning, we have the ABCD of forex. We have books, that is already built on the academy. All right, we have thousands of students from different continents, and they are doing very well. All right, guys, I'll see